Good morning. Ah! Come on. Good boys. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Today we are going to Hole in the Rock Road. It's a big, long, bumpy road that goes all the way down to Lake Powell. Tonight we actually are camped out in Escalante. It's basically just a huge staircase that goes all the way down to Glen Canyon. But we are going to go down that Hole in the Rock road. It's a very bumpy road, and at the end of it we get to hike down all the way into Lake Powell, which should be really cool. But we just made breakfast, so we're going to eat that first. Up. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Shake. Good boy. Down. Good. Okay, break. Good boy. Good boy. Who's a good boy? Stick. Fetch. So we are here. We're gonna take this road all the way to Hole in the Rock, and then supposedly you can hike from here into Lake Powell over here. It's gonna be a great time. You ready to go? Let's go. But guys, you can go really fast when you're in out. There's a speed limit out here. This road is hella bumpy. It's so freaking bumpy, it's crazy. I don't understand it. almost there. Oh, this is it. I think this is the end of the road. Everything online said this trail is about 62 miles. And it's only been 55 miles since the gas station. So, woohoo! We finally made it to Hole in the Rock. We're just gonna see what's over this rock. Oh, nice. You can see the lake right here.
Look at that boy. Bye-bye.
On a scale of 1 to remote, how 10 would you say we are? It's pretty remote. The Land Cruiser over there in all her beauty. So after that big long drive, we're gonna go down here to the lake, see if we can catch some fish. The descent through the hole in the rock. Boulder, boulder hopping, boulder, boulder hopping. Woo! It appears we have entered the set of Star Wars. Look at that. Oof. Nice. All right, what's the course of action? Through there? Or do we go up and around here, maybe? Oh, just like a little walkway through here. Nope, you gotta go through that hole.
No. That's one way to do it.
So this sign just told me this trail is only 3/4 of a mile and it's man-made. And they brought wagons down here without tipping it. Wagons, Gloria! Dude, boat tools. All kinds of boat tools. Deer tracks. These walls are so high. And that's where we came from. I really wish I had some anchovies. Limited gear here. What do you think they want? Anything will hit a spoon. Let's just try this one.
It's like a lot of fish.
Yeah, so they boil up together. There's so many striped bass in Lake Powell that they're just starving, most of them. So a lot of the times we pull these bass out and they're super skinny. So there's no limit on them here at Lake Powell either. So to catch 100 of them, you can keep them. 200, keep them. You know what's super annoying?
What?
When they're jumping all over the place and you're not catching a single one of them.
Yeah. Sweet chin lures. There's so many fish over there. Let me see.
These things dive, so
Let me see it.
hopefully I don't lose it. Oh.
Damn.
One more cast.
One more cast.
They're like, fishy, 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 fishy. Tell me that's not going through the fish. Another cast.
Another one.
Oh, one followed it. I can see it.
I believe. Dude, there's a big old fish.
He's gonna get me?
There's two. There's like 6 fish right there.
Dude, holy shit. They're
Oh, I
huge,
can
too.
see so many of them now.
Can you see him on the camera?
Yeah.
This is so fucking stupid.
Oh, wow. That was crazy. Did you get one?
Yup.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Took long enough. He is resisting. He knows he's caught. He's like, dude.
It's messed up. Oh my
I
god.
did. Look at that.
Where'd he go?
I got him by the fin on the top.
Oh my
That is a
gosh.
big fish, too.
Dude,
Holy shit.
can you get him?
Dude, what is that?
It's the king.
Did you see it?
Yeah. He's stuck in the reeds. Why did he do that? Come on, man.
I don't want to break my line. Let's let him go for a second. Swim out of the reeds, please, sir.
How are you gonna get him?
Yes, just hope he comes out. Come on.
Can you see him?
Come on, guy.
Oh.
Stop resisting. You just need a little more.
What the heck?
No!
Oh no! Oh my goodness.
That was my only good spoon. Dude! That is such a freaking bummer.
Poke him, where is he? So sad.
Dude. That was huge. That fish was massive.
Yeah.
It was literally so big. I don't know how to explain it to you, but it is massive fish. And I don't even think he bit my lure. It's hard to tell. Maybe I could see in the video footage, but I don't think he did. I think I just sighted him.
I think he got his top in.
Yeah. Well, big bummer. We gotta go.
The biggest bummer. That
I
is
didn't catch anything. That fish is still, he's gonna haunt me in my dreams tonight. But we gotta get out of here. All right, checking back in. We just hightailed it out of that canyon so fast. It took us like, I don't know how long it took us to get down there, but we got back in about 30 minutes, pretty quick.
Straight up.
Yeah, it was straight up. So bummer that we didn't catch any fish. Didn't bring any in.
Big bummer.
Got that monster and lost my favorite lure. But, oh well, next time. We are building the campfire. Hey. You probably